The video you are watching, the entire short film was created with a single line of prompt. Just a rough idea, some settings and conversation, and your video is ready. This is the power of OpenART Director. You need the idea, and the AI will direct the film for you. And in this video, I will share the full workflow with you step by step. So, if you have an idea and want to create your own film, then watch the video till the end. Let's dive in. Okay, this is the OpenART AI dashboard. You will find over 70+ AI tools and features to create images, videos, and audio. The newly launched OpenART Director tool is at the top of the page. Once you select the Director tool, you will be inside the Director interface. Here, you can enter your idea in this prompt box and create short films, music videos, UGC videos, product ads, film trailers, social content, explainer videos, and more. In one word, you can create any kind of video using the Director tool. Okay, now let's create our short film first. You can select the Short Film Quick Start tool from here. Enter the idea, select the visual style, and duration to create the video from here. However, I will go from scratch, so I am coming to the prompt box. As I want to create a short film, I am typing, create a 3-minute long short film about. After that, enter the storyline idea. Try to enter a brief idea. More context, the better the result. I am entering, a schoolboy is embarrassed because his father packs simple food every day while other kids bring fancy meals. He keeps throwing the food away. One day, he comes home early and sees his father eating only leftover rice and salt because he spent the little money he had on the boy's lunch. The next day, the boy opens the lunchbox at school and eats with tears in his eyes. Okay, our idea or story is ready. Now you can add references from here. You can attach image references, audio, and even a doc file if you have the full script. I will skip this time. Okay, now here you will find two options. Guide Me gives you more control. You can preview all the steps and customize if needed. And Just Make It will deliver the final result directly. I will go with the Guide Me option. Once everything is set, hit the Send button from here, and the OpenART Director will take charge. It will analyze the idea and settings, and then start planning the video. Once done, it will write the final script. Before that, we have to set some settings. First, the aspect ratio. I will go with 16:9. However, you can go with 9:16 or other if you want to. Next, we have to select the video resolution. You can create 1080p video here. However, I will go with 720p for a balanced result. Now, the director will start writing the final script. And here it is, the script is ready. Now, click here to preview the script. This is really a good aspect. We have a detailed storyline, character description, and scene-by-scene storyboard. Now, if you find any issue, you can customize the script manually or ask the director to customize it. For example, I want the story based in Los Angeles. So I will just type, the story should be based in Los Angeles, and then hit the Send button. The director will analyze again and rewrite the script, and here it is. The final script is ready. Now, it's perfect. Once you find the final version of your script, click on Save and Continue. Okay, our script is set. Now the director will create the final production plan. It will create the beats across the runtime, create visuals, and look for the character, location, and props. All of this is running behind the scenes. It's like the director sits with his team and works on the project simultaneously. Once the production plan is ready, the director will move forward to the next step. Okay, the production plan is ready. It creates 12 beats for a full 3-minute video. 3 characters, 3 locations, with the cross-location cuts handled as clean bridges so nothing jumps. Now, it will start creating the actual look or reference images for all the characters, locations, and props. It will also create voice references for all the characters. If anything goes wrong, you don't have to worry. The director will regenerate for you. Okay, all the reference assets are ready. Let's have a look. You can see all the characters and location images. Every character image is well structured. We have close-up, front view, side view, back view, and expression. This will help us keep the character very consistent throughout the video, no matter the angle. We have the location reference also. If you find any issues, you can fix them using the director agent. However, I think this is perfect for my story, so I will click on Looks Good. Now the director will render the full cut. That means it will assign the video generator and create all the scene video clips using the reference images and audio clips. All the video clips are generated simultaneously, so it won't take a longer time. Once all the video clips and BGM are ready, the director will stitch them to make the final video. And here it is. The final video is ready. Now, you can preview the video from here or download it to your device. Let's see what exactly the director created for us.
Eat it all today, okay?
This is really amazing. However, if you find any issues with the result, you can customize the video. Every single video clip is customizable, and the timeline mode is like a basic video editor. You can customize every single clip here, trim the footage, control the volume, speed everything. Now, here at the scene, you will find all the scene clips. If you find an issue with any scene or any scene gives you poor results, you can regenerate all the scenes from here. For example, in this scene, we have some issues. So, I need to regenerate it. Simply click on the Recreate button from here, and then the video generation panel will appear on the left side. Now you can customize the prompt and then generate the video clip. And here is the newly generated video clip.
What have you got? Nothing. Not hungry.
So, now in this method, preview all the clips and customize if needed. You can also modify the video clip, extend any video, and more. Once your video is ready, click on the Export button from here. Select Export Video and then set the settings. Once done, export the video to your device. And that's it. Our short film is ready.
Eat it all today, okay?
What have you got? Nothing. Not hungry.
So now with the help of OpenART Director, you can create any kind of short film only from an idea. Not only a short film, but you can create a full mini drama, create a music video, an explainer video, a film trailer. In other words, you just need the idea, and OpenART Director will create any video for you. So, if you have an idea, go try OpenART Director now. I will put the link in the description. Go try it out. If you found this video helpful, a like really helps this reach more people. And subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, that's it from me. Go make something. I'll see you in the next one.